The name Padma Awards reminds us of the unsung heroes who did great sacrifices and stood out from the crowd in an exceptional way. Let's pay our tributes by saluting the heroes of Padma Awards of 2023. Padma Awards are announced on the occasion of Republic Day every year. Padma Vibhushan for exceptional and distinguished service. Padma Bhushan for distinguished service of high order. Padma Shri for distinguished service in any field. For the year 2023, the President has approved conferment of 106 Padma Awards, which comprises of 6 Padma Vibhushan, 9 Padma Bhushan, 91 Padma Shri and 7 posthumous awardees. ORS. What memories are associated with these 3 letters? Any remarkable person whom we can recall? Nurses who relentlessly serve the people irrespective of time. Mothers who burn the midnight oil to see a glimpse of joy on the child's face. And let's not forget the master brain behind the invention of the cheapest and the life-saving medicine, ORS. It's none other than Dr. Dilip Mahalanobis, India's gift to the world.
A modest Bengali doctor who worked tirelessly in the refugee camps along the India-Bangladesh border, created one of the greatest health innovations and a path-breaking medical discovery that has saved over 70 million lives globally. For his selfless contribution, let's pay tributes to the beacon of the pioneer of oral rehydration theory. Mahalanobis was born in Bengal. He graduated from Calcutta Medical College in 1958. In 1964, he started his research on ORT, which consists of a mixture of table salt, baking soda, and commercial glucose to treat diarrheal diseases. Adversity is the mother of all inventions. And the adversity in the refugee camps during the 1971 war was that they had run out of intravenous fluid saline during a cholera epidemic. At that time, he used ORT, where mortality dropped from 30% to a mere 3%. In 2002, Pauline Prize in Pediatric Research for discovery and implementation of ORT was awarded. He never ever patented his ORS, but Lancet called it as potentially the most important medical advance of the 20th century. Sadly, the world lost this legendary doctor, a visionary, the unsung savior, Dr. Dilip Mahalanobis, at the age of 87. His death marks the end of an era. On our 74th Republic Day, the Government of India posthumously awarded him the Padma Vibhushan. An idea can change the world. A simple decision made by a pediatrician in a difficult situation has served humanity tremendously.
Some women are born to inspire, be it Mother Teresa, Sarojini Naidu or Kalpana Chawla. Women have always been a source of motivation and a catalyst for social change. One such name is Sudha Murthy, who has made a prominent impact on Indian society. A writer, philanthropist, and an entrepreneur, Sudha Murthy is greatly revered for being a prolific writer, facilitating the education of poor children, and being one of the brains behind Infosys, one of India's leading IT companies.
Soberly dressed in traditional Indian attire, Sudhamurthy is a pioneer in educational development and an advocate of women's rights. Her postcard to the chairman of Telco, known as Tata Motors today, telling about the gender bias in the recruitment process is proof of this. On July 2nd, 1981, Sudhamurthy co-founded the IT company Infosys with her husband, supporting him with initial investment of rupees 10,000. Sudhamurthy stands by the belief that money always changes hands and that giving back to society fosters significant goodwill. Through the Infosys Foundation, she built 2,300 houses in flood-affected areas of the country, 7,000 libraries, and 16,000 toilets. She visits rural areas for 10 days every month to implement relief initiatives. Sudhamurthy is a proficient author in English, Marathi, and Kannada. She was honored with the Padma Shri for social work in 2006. The 73-year-old was also honored with Padma Bhushan. She is a true inspiration to women all over the world, showing that with determination and a passion for learning, anything is possible. Her legacy will continue to inspire generations to come, reminding us all that one person can make a difference in the world.
Magic. This word reminds us of our childhood, where we desperately looked forward to watching magic shows. We were spellbound during such shows and amazed at the tricks done up the magician's sleeve. Well, now let's know more about a magical gardener who contributed so much to the society by growing medicinal plants. A simple man who hails from a small hamlet. His name is Shri Patayat Kumar Sahu, the recipient of Padma Shri in 2023, a true medicinal plant enthusiast.
Patayat Sahu, a renowned traditional healer and Prakriti Bandhu awardee, is a resident of Odisha. Sahu, the 65-year-old villager, boasts of a wide range of 3,000 medicinal plants nurtured and grown without the intervention of chemicals and fertilizers on 1.5 acres of land. Patayat Sahu was a farmer by day and Vaidya by night, who prepared medicines from the organic plants grown by him and cured people's ailments. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, while addressing the nation in the 81st episode of his monthly radio program, Man Ki Baat, praised Sahu for his contribution to developing natural healthcare products.
ओडिशा के कालाहांडी के नांदोल में रहने वाले पतायत साहू जी इस क्षेत्र में बरसों से एक अनोखा कार्य कर रहे हैं। उन्होंने 1.5 एकड़ जमीन पर मेडिसिनल प्लांट लगाए हैं। यही नहीं, साहू जी ने इन मेडिसिनल प्लांट्स को डॉक्यूमेंटेशन भी किया है।
Patayat Sahu has been awarded the prestigious Padma Shri for his remarkable contribution to conserving traditional healing practices and preserving a diverse array of medicinal plants. Sahu stands as a beacon of hope. Let us be inspired by his dedication to preserving the age-old wisdom of medicinal plants.
Who doesn't love food on this planet? Our favorite dishes flash across our mind and mouth starts watering. But today it has also become a threat to our life if consumed in unlimited quantities. So eat healthy for a healthy living. Hence, the United Nations declared year 2023 as the International Year of Millets. Let's learn the rich values of millets from Dr. Kadir Wali, who is popularly known as the Millet Man of India.
Hailing from Andhra Pradesh, Dr. Kadir Wali worked hard to revive 5 different types of millets that were fast disappearing. He named them Pancharatna or Siridhanya, namely foxtail millets, brown top millets, little millets, kodo millets, and barnyard millets. In the process of consuming each of these millets, he discovered that the healing properties present in them could cure even deadly diseases. To cultivate them naturally, Dr. Kadir propounded a method called Kadu Krishi, jungle farming. It is a myth that millets are animal or bird food. In fact, they protect the human race and all other species. When your food is right, there's no need for medicine. When your food is wrong, no medicine works. Dr. Kadir Wali, a pioneering Indian organic farmer and environmentalist, is a recipient of the Padma Shri in 2023. His innovative and sustainable agricultural practices for more than 3 decades made him warn the world that if eating habits didn't change, then the world will fall apart. Let food be thy medicine, and medicine be thy food. Permeating fragrance to humanity, they are a true inspiration and beacons of light to any generation. Great stalwarts of our motherland, we pay our reverences with folded hands to your unforgettable services rendered globally. Once again, let's raise our voices and shout Jai Padma Awardees, Jai Jai Padma Awardees.